Okay, today we're gonna make some sausage balls. I have a large mixing bowl. Have a large mixing bowl, and we have a whole roll of breakfast sausage in our mixing bowl. We got a slightly sprayed pan, any kind of cookie sheet you want to do. We're going to use some Bisquick in here to mix. Use any kind of breakfast sausage you want. If you like hot, mild chicken, turkey, sausage, pork, whatever kind of sausage you like. Use any kind of cheese you like. I have a little Parmesan and Asiago in this one that we're going to add in here.
All of it?
No, just pull some out and put it in. You guys add any breakfast sausage you like that's in a roll. We'll do that. And you add any kind of cheese you want because these are your sausage balls. You eat them, you enjoy. Yep. And then we have some freshly grated mild cheddar and some pepper jack. More of the cheddar. Alright, that's good for now. Okay, now we're going to make sure all our cheese is kind of separated. And I know we're just throwing this all in one big bowl. And you have the whole roll in one big piece. That's okay. What I like to do is just grab a small piece of sausage. And then I take some of my cheese and get a big old pinch of baking soda. Not the baking soda, the Bisquick. And then I start working it together with the cheese and the sausage. And then we just stick them on the pan. Now I got my oven set to 350 and we'll start cooking these in just a moment after we get all these rolled up, and then we'll show you what it looks like in there. That's fun. Yes, now we're ready to go in the oven. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 350 until the sausage is thoroughly cooked and everything's golden brown. Okay, now it's time to get our sausage balls out. And look at there, the sausage is all cooked and the cheese is all nice and brown and bubbly. We're going to give that top one just a couple more minutes. I say it took maybe 15 to 20 minutes to the most. Like I said, just make sure your sausage is all the way done because you don't want to eat raw pork. But that's it. Hopefully you'll give them a try.